Are you aiming to land a high-paying tech job that's immune to the AI takeover? Today, we're unveiling the most sought-after AI-proof roles in the tech industry. Stay tuned to future-proof your career with jobs that no robot can perform. Let's delve into the insights from leading computer scientist Stuart Russell. Interview for the World Economic Forum discusses the current state of AI, potential threats, and how algorithms impact social media. You might be wondering, will robots eventually take over all jobs? Berkeley professor Russell asked, if technology could make a twin of every person on Earth, and the twin was more cheerful and less hungover and willing to work for nothing, how many of us would still have our jobs? As AI reshapes our job markets, it's vital to identify careers that leverage our uniquely human skills. But fear not, in this video we'll explore the tech jobs that are here to stay and how you can thrive in the age of AI. The fear is real. AI might replace human jobs. So while AI is powerful, it's our uniquely human skills that will truly shine in the future of tech. But there's more to the story. While AI automates tasks, it also creates new opportunities. We're here to demystify the future of work and spotlight the tech jobs that are here to stay.
The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2023 was released, offering a comprehensive analysis of the job market in the wake of AI advancements. While acknowledging the potential for automation to displace certain jobs, the report provides an optimistic forecast, predicting the creation of 69 million new jobs by 2028. It highlights a surge in demand for professionals skilled in AI development, data science, and cybersecurity. Moreover, the report underscores the enduring value of uniquely human skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving, which are essential in navigating the evolving job landscape. The report serves as a call to action for both individuals and organizations to adapt and prepare for the transformative changes ahead.
Dive into roles like data scientists, cybersecurity experts, and UX designers, positions that demand human intuition, creativity, and problem-solving abilities beyond AI's reach. These are the careers that will not only survive but thrive in the tech revolution. While AI is making strides, it still lacks the empathy and emotional intelligence essential for roles centered around human interaction. These jobs not only require technical skills, but also a deep understanding of human emotions and social nuances. There are several job categories that are resistant to AI automation, starting with creative roles. A practical example is Jessica Walsh, a prominent graphic designer whose work with her studio and Walsh showcases a unique style that blends bold colors and experimental typography. Her projects for brands like Fruity and Levi's, as well as personal ventures like 40 Days of Dating, have gained widespread acclaim. Walsh also champions creative women through her mentorship initiative, Ladies, Wine, and Design. Her artistic flair and advocacy efforts make her a standout in the design community. The next category is complex problem solving. An example is Parisa Tabriz, known as Google's security princess. Leads a team of expert hackers who proactively secure Google's systems by finding and fixing security flaws. Her innovative work not only strengthens Google Chrome's defenses, but also advocates for broader web security, showcasing the vital role of creativity in cybersecurity. AI may be able to generate reports, but it takes a human mind to analyze and interpret data to solve complex problems. The third job category is characterized by a human touch. An example is Dr. Patch Adams. He is a physician known for his innovative approach to healthcare, using humor and compassion to improve patients' experiences. He founded the Gesundheit Institute, promoting holistic care and the healing power of laughter. His life's work emphasizes the irreplaceable human element in medicine, inspiring the film Patch Adams. His legacy continues to influence the way care is provided, highlighting the importance of joy and human connection in healing. The first role requires a human touch is healthcare professionals. Doctors, nurses, and therapists deliver compassionate care that extends beyond diagnostics and treatment. They provide comfort and empathy during challenging times, something AI cannot duplicate. Another role that requires a human touch is teachers and educators. Educators do more than just convey information. They inspire, motivate, and address the individual needs of each student, traits that AI cannot replicate. The third one is social workers and counselors. These professionals manage intricate human emotions and social dynamics to offer support and guidance, roles that necessitate authentic human empathy. An example is Dr. Brené Brown, a research professor and author. She is renowned for her research on vulnerability and shame, advocating for the power of empathy and human connection. Her work encourages embracing vulnerability as a strength, leading to greater courage and authentic living. Her insights are influential in social work and mental health, promoting personal growth and stronger relationships. As we navigate through the AI era, it's not just about identifying AI-resistant jobs, it's also about fortifying your skill set for the future. Let's shift to an optimistic and empowering perspective on how you can stay ahead. One, lifelong learning. Embrace the journey of continuous education. Keep abreast of the latest technologies and industry trends to ensure your expertise remains relevant and in demand. A prime example of advocating lifelong learning is Sal Khan, the founder of Khan Academy. He has revolutionized education by providing free, high-quality learning opportunities to anyone, anywhere. His platform offers a wide range of subjects and reaches millions worldwide, allowing learners to progress at their own pace. To enhance your creative thinking, tackle challenges with inventive solutions that display your distinct perspective and abilities. An example of enhancing creative thinking is Neil Gaiman. He is renowned for his richly imaginative works that blend myth and reality, striking a chord with readers' emotions. His stories like The Sandman and Coraline are celebrated for their depth and ability to reflect true human experiences through fantastical tales. Gaiman's advice to writers emphasizes authenticity and emotional resonance in storytelling. 3. Emotional intelligence and communication. Sharpen your interpersonal abilities. Connect with others on a human level, understanding emotions and fostering effective communication. 4. Adaptability and resilience. Prepare to pivot when necessary. The tech landscape is ever-changing, and your ability to adapt and learn new skills will be your greatest asset. To summarize Stuart Russell's interview, where he addresses his own inquiries, he emphasizes the importance of creating human-compatible AI. This concept involves designing AI technologies that augment rather than substitute human skills. Recognizing this approach is essential for maintaining a harmony between harnessing the advantages of AI and preserving job prospects. In a world where AI continues to evolve, your human capabilities are your superpower. By focusing on lifelong learning, creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, you're not just securing your career, you're setting the stage for a thriving future in the tech industry. Remember, the future of work is not about competing with AI, but collaborating with it and leveraging your unique human strengths.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like.